My dad tells me he's seen them all. Hummingbirds, gray catbirds, song sparrows. But pics, or it didn't happen. He's yet to secure any solid proof of his graceful visitors. As he spends his lonesome days waiting for the next opportunity to finally get that perfect photo, even he sometimes begins to doubt himself. Is it possible that the rare birds only chirp to him in his dreams? Surely, his neighbors think so. He doubles, no, triples, heck, he quadruples his efforts. Still, his photos are for the birds. Then, on his birthday, I get him the perfect gift. It's called Bird Buddy. It's a smart bird feeder that will notify him of the feathery friends in his backyard. It will capture their photos and organize them in a beautiful collection that is easy for him to view and share with others. See how pretty it is? And just look at my chirpy father. He's more excited than ever. Now he can rely on Bird Buddy to make the perfect shots he always seemed to miss. Are you a bird lover too? Or do you have one in your family? Get them Bird Buddy, because everybody could use a buddy. Help us bring Bird Buddy to life by supporting us on Kickstarter. Let's shape the future of bird feeding together.